Alright, as you can see, we've got a crossing malfunction out here at Segers Road in Huntsville, Alabama. Appears this happened after A85 passed through. As you can see, this gate arm here is stuck down. I've already reported it to Norfolk Southern, so they're going to send someone out. And as you can probably see down the tracks there, you do have another train. It is NS 264. I believe it'll be coming through here in a little bit. I do want to see what will happen, but I think but yeah, just thought I'd show this gate arm just got stuck down here. One of the first time, well, seen it once before at Holmes Avenue, but I was like riding by on 565 getting onto the parkway at the time, so I couldn't really, stop and get a video on it. Plus, I think that was years ago before I could drive. I think it was like on the bus, not a school bus, but yeah, I just thought I'd get a quick video showing this. And 264 has like a trio of BNSF Gevos. Thought about shooting it, but maybe. I mean, if it comes through before it gets too dark here. So yeah, just thought I'd show quick videos malfunction. Over and out.